welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I want to try something cool that I have seen kind of all over social media, going back a couple years even. It's just like the glitter hair gel, but I've never done it, and today I want to do it. It's so beautiful outside. I'm so excited. It's like 30 degrees. I went out shopping earlier and didn't even wear a coat. And yes, walking from the store to my car was chilly, but I didn't even care because I was just like, spring is here. It's not cold. The snow is melting. And I'm not in a jacket, and it's wonderful. So I'm so excited about that, and because of that, I think is what makes me want to like do this today. But basically, I'm just going to be using three things. One is just a giant thing of hair gel, and no, I won't be using all of this. Some gold. I chose gold. You can choose whatever type of glitter you want, just like fine grain glitter from the craft store. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, just like really fine, at least for what I'm doing, really fine. I've seen it with like chunkier glitter and like the confetti. That's pretty cool too. I'm using like a little 2-inch brush just because I wanted a clean one, so I bought a new one because it's going on my hair, so I don't want any paint residue in it. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to be figuring out how I want my hair, because from everything that I've looked at and read online, basically you want to style it first and just use the glitter to like hold the gel on, not necessarily to like style your hair and hold the gel on. So I'm gonna get my hair up in like probably some sort of half up, half down braid thing. I haven't quite decided what yet. And then we will mix up our glitter hair gel concoction, put it on, let it dry, and see how it actually turns out. I'm hoping it turns out really well because I'm going out to dinner with friends tonight. And if it turns out really cool, that'll be great, and they'll just be like, oh, awesome glittery hair. But if not, I'm not sure I have enough time to wash my hair before then. So hopefully it turns out well, because I'm wearing it out tonight either way. So yeah, let me go get my hair styled and we will get started. Okay, I'm back, and it's not a half up, half down. It's a ponytail, but I did add the cute little braids. Just kind of one on each side. The side's a little bit smaller. Just because I want to do the glitter on the braids. I think that'd be a cute effect. So yeah, I've got my braids on both sides, and we're gonna mix up our glitter and get it applied so that we can see how this turns out. All right, I want a lot of glitter, so I'm just gonna pour it in. There's something so satisfying about pouring glitter. I love it so much. Look at that. So pretty. Now we'll add our hair gel. Just like a ton, I guess. It's time to mix. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is just like straight up gold paint. That is amazing. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, it's all mixed and it's so cool. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm just gonna paint up the side of the glass so you can see it. Oh, this is everything. I'm so excited. I'm not even at all nervous because it'll just wash right out. But I cannot express to you how excited I am about putting glitter in my hair. Like, this is the best. I've like sprayed glitter in my hair before or whatever. I don't know why it never occurred to me to just add it to hair gel, but this is like literally the best thing I've ever done. And I cannot wait. So just off camera, I have set up a mirror, and hopefully I only kind of get this on the braids. But if not, I'll just do my whole head because I'm like already in love with this. This is the coolest thing ever. So sorry about the angle. I'm like looking here and not at the camera. Maybe I can do it in the camera. I don't know. Should I try that first? I'll try that first. If I make a mess of it, then I'll go to the mirror. Maybe I can just like feel it. This is so awkward to do by like feeling, because I can barely see my braid. Is it working? I think I'm getting it. I thought I made like way too much, but I also like wasted it painting it all up the sides of the jar. I don't think I have enough, maybe. I'm not sure. I put in a lot of gel and a lot of glitter. I should have tons. Okay, my head's literally like this big in the reflection of my camera, so I definitely have to like at least look in my mirror a little bit. Sorry. I'll try to keep my face still on camera. Oh, I was completely going off the rails of where my braid was. Okay, well, we'll give it a try. And we'll come down here, just on the hair that's going into the braid too, so it doesn't look quite so weird. Okay. Is that cool? I really can't tell. Like, I'm gonna have to like go off camera and see the whole thing, but we'll try the other side. Which is right here. Oh, actually this will work, because like now it's on camera, right? And I'm looking in the mirror. It did work out. Okay, perfect. You want to make sure to get the roots so that people think that your hair is naturally glittery and not just something you applied. Whatever, I'm funny. Here we go. Okay. I've got my hair dryer down here because I'm not gonna wait for it to dry. I'm just gonna do like low setting and help it along, and then we're gonna go outside to see what this looks like in the sun. I can't wait. Hey you guys, oh my god, I can't believe it's warm enough out here to not be wearing a jacket. The snow is literally melting off the roof behind me. I can like hear it dripping like rain. But here is how it turned out. I hope I'm going to be in frame. Hey guys, okay, so I came back inside because I could not see squinting into the sun and it was distracting me, but I'm so excited about how this turned out. It's the coolest, the glitteriest, like it's just the best. The glitter went on so thick, like almost like paint thick. It's really kind of cool. Like normally glitter is just like very spread out and this is like so concentrated. I totally love it. Basically it's like gold paint for your hair, which is awesome. It felt really weird going on. I don't use a lot of hair gel, so it was like cold and gloopy, but it dried down to the point where like I don't even feel it. Also, when I put it on, like it completely got rid of the braid texture. Like it didn't look like a braid anymore, and it dried down to the point where you can totally see the hair is braided, so I love that too. But I'm so excited about how this turned out. I'm so excited to wear this tonight. I love glitter. I will link what you need down below. It's super easy. It's hair gel and glitter and a brush if you don't want to use your fingers. But if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. I'd love to see you here again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.